everyone. I decided to record this because it's actually too much information to type and I'm driving. First off, I'd like to apologize to all the hurricane victims in Houston. I didn't really think to put this information out there when you were going through your devastation, and probably still are. So hopefully this will help you and those hurricane victims from the results of Hurricane Irma in Georgia, in Florida, and anywhere else in the United States. And I hear Hurricane Jose is on its way. But this information you may find useful in any weather situation where there's been a hurricane, there's been an ice storm, a tornado, or what have you. But check your policies, your individual policies, your homeowners policies, your renters policies, because you have a lot of coverages that you may not know. And I found out the hard way because in Michigan a few years ago we had a very bad ice storm here, and I was without power for 3 weeks. So I called my insurance agent and asked a lot of questions. So I found out that they will not pay for my individual insurance policy didn't pay for a generator, but they paid for me to rent a generator. So if you don't have a generator and you can't afford one, have someone else buy one and you rent it from them. My insurance company paid almost $100 a day for me to rent a generator for someone else, but they wouldn't purchase one. So I was able to rent a generator. They paid for all the gas, which my generator ran about $100 of gas a day. They paid for all my food spoilage. They also would have paid for me to stay in a hotel, but I decided to get the generator and stay in my home. They paid for emergency electrician to come out, no matter how much it cost. So that night, the emergency electrician came out and he charged whatever fees, and of course they may hike up the fees, but that's okay, because you need to get it done for the safety of your home, so you need to secure your home. They reimbursed me for all my batteries, my flashlight, candles, anything that I purchased. I saved my receipts, so it's very important that you save your receipts and keep a list. So you want to keep a list of all your food, those deep freezers that you may have, anything in there, food spoilage, anything. I threw out everything in my refrigerator, but what I did is I made a list of everything, and I got the prices. So I went to the grocery store. It is tedious work, but it's well worth it in the long run because they're going to deduct amounts from your deductible. So make a list of everything you use to secure your home, the wood, any supplies that you may have bought, uncles, cousins that you may have paid to come over and help you. Your insurance policy will help you, will reimburse you for that. Now, it's interesting that the media is telling you to hunker down and do all this work to protect your property, which is good. But I'm not hearing them tell you to call your insurance agents and tell you all the information that you need to get your coverage from your insurance policy. And my insurance agent didn't call me. They're not going to call you because they're going to reach devastating high losses. And so if you don't know, they're not going to tell you. So you need to call your individual agent, your individual insurance companies, and ask detailed questions about what your policy covers. And this is also for renters insurance, okay? So I hope this information helps you. Pass it along. If there's something I've forgotten to say, because I don't know everything, but I do know that your insurance will cover. They covered me for every little thing. And I mean, I right down to the pack of the hot sauce, the syrup, anything I threw out that I kept in my refrigerator, from the tomatoes to anything, they covered. And they will cover meals as well. So if you stay in a hotel or in your home, they will cover all your meals, your water, whatever you drink, so much per day, okay? So find out what that is. Now, what happens is if it racks up to like $4,000 or $5,000, they'll deduct whatever your deductible is. Mine was $1,000, so they took $1,000 from that. Also, I talked to someone after the effect, and they were all out of generators, so they paid to have someone install one of those permanent home generators, and it might have been about $15,000, and their insurance, which was State Farm, reimbursed them $15,000. So make sure you talk specifically to your agents and make them work for the money that you're paying them to secure your home. Those of you who live in a flood zone, usually there's an addendum to your policies that says that you live in a flood zone and that you have an additional insurance added on it in addition to your normal homeowners policies. So make sure you just check these. I hope this information helps. I am praying for all of you. I'm donating money to some organizations, but I know that's not enough. So hopefully this helps you. If it doesn't help you now, it can help you in the future. Okay. All right. Good luck, everybody, and I love you all. Thanks. Bye.